In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a meta field in the Shopify Dawn theme. We're going to walk through this in three main parts. First, creating the meta field. Second, adding a value to it on a product. And finally, displaying that meta field in the Dawn theme so it shows up on your storefront. Let's start by creating the meta field. From your Shopify admin dashboard, look down to the lower left corner and click on Settings. Inside the Settings page, find the section called Metafields and Meta Objects and click on it. Here, you'll see options for different areas of your store that can use metafields, like products, collections, pages, blog posts, or variants. For this tutorial, we'll work with products since we're creating a product badge. Click on Products. Next, click on Add Definition. This is where you define what kind of meta field you're creating. For the name, type Custom Badge, so it's easy to recognize later. For the type, choose single line text. This means you'll be able to enter short pieces of text like new or limited for each product. After you've set the name and type, go up near the top right of the page and click Save. Your meta field definition is now created and ready to use. Now let's add a value to this meta field on a specific product. Go back to your main Shopify admin dashboard, and from the left-hand panel, click on Products. Open the product where you want to display the custom badge. Once you're on the product page, scroll down until you see the meta field section. You should see the meta field we just created, labeled Custom Badge. In the field next to it, type the value you want to display, such as new, limited, or free shipping. When you're done, click Save so that value is stored with the product. Finally, we'll use this meta field inside the Dawn theme so it actually appears on your product page. From the left-hand panel in your Shopify admin, click on Online Store, then on your current theme, click Edit Theme. In the theme editor, navigate to the product where you just added the meta field value. On the left side of the theme editor, look for the section that controls your product information. Click Add Block and choose Text. Then drag and drop this text block to the position where you want your badge to appear, for example, near the product title or price. With the text block selected, click the dynamic source icon, which looks like a small database symbol. A list of available dynamic sources will appear. Choose your meta field, named Custom Badge. This connects the text block to the value you entered on the product. Finally, click Save. Now, when you view that product on your storefront, you'll see your custom badge pulled directly from the meta field you created and assigned.